Hi students, welcome to week 2 of Grammar 2. I hope you're having a good weekend, and I wanted to show you a couple of things in Canvas that you could do over the weekend if you wanted to. So let me go to Modules. So I'm going to go to Modules, and I'm going to go down to Module 2, week of September 1st, 2020. Okay? Here you're going to see two assignments. The first one or the second one, I should say, is reviewing the parts of speech. So everything that we talked about last week, you're going to review. So we have exercises on nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs, okay? So that's just a quick review of those 4 parts of speech that you can do over the weekend, okay? And we'll check this on Tuesday in class. You don't have to send it to me. Let's go back to modules. The big project that I want you to do, and you have until September 4th, so you have a whole week to do this, okay, is a video. And so you're going to click on this. You're going to see the directions here. It's due on September 4th by midnight. It's worth 10 points. Okay, and you're going to use a tool called Flipgrid. This is a video tool, and you're going to make a video and you're going to introduce yourself to your classmates in the video. You're going to say, what's your name? Where are you from? Do you have a hobby or a job? And why are you studying English? And you can tell us about your family and your life in Oakland too if you want. I want your video to be about 60 seconds long. Okay, and then after you make your video, I want you to respond to 2 other videos from your classmates so you can get 10 points. Okay, so please read this advice carefully about you can do a video from your computer or from your phone, either one. So to start your video, you click on this box down at the bottom here, and it will take you to the Flipgrid site, and here is our class. ESOL 272 Grammar 2. Here's my name, okay? If you need a code, this is the code up here. I don't think you will. I have already recorded a video for you right here so you can watch my video. And then when you see a green plus sign, you click on that and you can start your own video. And it will automatically load. And then you will see, as you go, you will see all your classmates' videos here next to mine. Okay, it's really easy to do and it's really fun. I think you'll have it fun. And if you don't get it right the first time, you can put it in the trash and start over again. So you can make as many videos as you want, and then you decide which one you like the best. Okay, so good luck with that. You have 1 week to do that project. Okay, I hope you have a good weekend. Bye.